Hi, beauties! If you're dreaming of longer, fuller lashes without extensions or expensive treatments, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing my absolute favorite natural lash growth tips that actually work. They're super easy and affordable. Let's get into it. First things first, we need to talk about cleansing. I know it's tempting to just crash into bed after a long day, but sleeping in your mascara is basically a crime against your lashes. All that product buildup can lead to breakage and even lash loss over time. My rule? Always remove eye makeup before bed. I swear by micellar water or a gentle oil-based cleanser. They break down makeup without harsh rubbing. Just soak a cotton pad, hold it against your lashes for a few seconds and gently wipe away. Your lashes will thank you. Now for my secret weapon, lash oils. Castor oil has been a game changer for me. It's packed with fatty acids that help strengthen and condition lashes. Every night before bed, I use a clean spoolie brush to apply just a tiny bit along my lash line. Pro tip, you can mix it with a drop of vitamin E or coconut oil for extra nourishment. It's like giving your lashes a mini spa treatment while you sleep. Did you know your diet affects your lash growth too? Just like the hair on your head, your lashes need proper nutrition to grow strong. I try to eat plenty of foods rich in biotin, like eggs and nuts. Omega-3s, salmon and flax seeds are great, and vitamin E, hello, avocados. These nutrients help support healthy hair growth from the inside out. It's not an overnight fix, but combined with the other tips, you'll definitely notice a difference over time. Okay, time for some tough love. We need to stop abusing our lashes. That means no more tugging at mascara, so damaging. Overusing waterproof formulas. They're so hard to remove. Rubbing your eyes aggressively. Sleeping on rough cotton pillowcases. Instead, be gentle. I switched to a satin pillowcase and it's made such a difference. Way less friction means fewer lashes falling out. And when removing makeup, always take your time and be patient. Here's the truth. Natural lash growth takes time. You won't see results overnight, but if you stick with these habits, you will see a difference. I recommend taking a before photo so you can track your progress. Most people start noticing changes after about 4 to 6 weeks of consistent care. Trust the process, beautiful. That's it. Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips. See you in the next one.